Fucker almost hit me. That was scary.
That was scary. It felt like we were gonna fucking fly off, nigga. Shit.
Oh, man. What the fuck is that guy's problem?
I should record everything right now. Fuck that.
Oh my god, that would have been badass. We would have had like witness. That motherfucker did it. That stupid bitch right there in front of us in the black car.
This one?
This one's supposed to merge it. It's my fault. I got your license plate number, bitch. See, that's what knew he fucked up. That's why he fucking ran like a bitch.
Why is it warm, fool? What the hell?
Oh, my bad.
Alright,
We can fix that. Look at that shit. Motherfucker just cutting me off and shit.
America's Most Wanted.
Oh, shit. I ain't going through traffic.
Fuck, that nigga was Asian.
Oh.
The driver. That one, the one that just cut this nigga off, is Asian.
Had to be, dog.
What's wrong with that?